Good afternoon, everyone. This is Terry from Mood Logger Force. On a beautiful day, let's start a new project. So, I got a comment on one of the posts asking about a specific short sword. So, I drew it up and I put it on some cardboard. And this is what I got. So, we got just some junk cardboard, but it works okay for getting a super rough form, And then from there, I will make it as good as I can with the steel. I'm gonna go ahead and use just some cold rolled or hot rolled stock, pretty thick. I think I'll be able to use this and make the whole thing. Let's get started.